An officer accused of shooting a man with schizophrenia 6 times during what he called a routine mental health call took the stand in U.S. District Court this morning.
That's right. 29-year-old David Roberts, who survived the shooting, is seeking $6 million in damages from the city of Omaha and the officers for mental and physical injuries he suffered. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Andrea Flores is live with all the details. Andrea.
Well, good afternoon to you both. Officer Josh Martinek says when he responded to the call in the early morning hours of January in 2010, he had responded to at least one mental health call per day before then. But when he arrived on scene, he said this one in particular turned out much differently. Martinek says they received the call that the parents of David Roberts needed help controlling their son, who was schizophrenic and off his medication. They told police he had attempted to hurt his younger sister with a knife or screwdriver. Now, when Officer Martinek and his partner arrived on scene, Martinek says Roberts was down in the basement but believed he was unarmed. 2 additional officers also made their way to the home to help. Martinek says he claims and acted as the lead officer and used, quote, kid gloves to coax Roberts upstairs, speaking in non-threatening language. After repeated attempts to get him upstairs, the officers made their way down to the Roberts room to secure the safety of the family. Martinek admitted that he was the only one who drew a gun, while the other officers drew tasers because he was not taser certified at the time. They found Roberts face up in his bed, fully covered by blankets. After he appeared to surrender, another officer in the room tried to get him down to the floor. That's when Roberts grabbed for a large kitchen knife underneath his pillow and swung it towards the officer. Martinek says he started shooting and stopped shooting once the knife was out of Roberts' hand. Now, Martinek also went on to say that he put his partner at great risk of getting shot when he started shooting at Roberts, but said, quote, thank God he didn't. And this trial will continue throughout the rest of the afternoon. Reporting live from the U.S. District Court, Andrea Flores, KMTV Action 3 News.